Sorry, I didn't answer for sometimes about me saying TMAU is a blessing, and not many agree with me. I can understand that very much. What I wanted to say first is thank you very much for understanding my English. I didn't prepare. I just I said what I felt and I put it on because I know how it feels to have a TMAU. If even one person got something from what I said, for me is enough. So that's why I put it on. There was a lot of mistakes, especially about this mother and teacher, instead of saying father, I should say parents. I apologize to all the fathers. I didn't prepare, I didn't read, or I just whatever I felt I was just putting it on. And I am glad the response is wonderful. It's really nice. I like TMAU now much than before because, as I say, it's blessing, and I was right. Look, now we are in different people, different culture, different color, different religion, different background, different age, sex, whatever. We have got something to connect us. Okay, must be blessing. And I value what I read, what I see about TMAU. TMAU is blessing. I know it's very difficult, but it is. One, we are connecting. Two, you are choosing what to eat. You don't just eat any junk food. You are choosing what to eat. So I'm sure there must be blessing. I cannot find any other word to describe that. Your body. Your body. When I say your body, means our body. Sometimes I say you, but very understood. The message I received was very encouraging. I've been busy for some unnecessary things, that's why, but I'm going to talk more actually how I'm handling it and why I think it is positive. Look, we move now from blessing to, to positive. Blessing, some people they say curse. It's not curse because curse could be blessing sometimes if it is curse is preferred word instead of blessing. I don't mind. I could speak even about curse. What is curse? Something that you carry. For example, a person say that he got it from his mother. For me, kiss your mother on her front head, kiss her and say thank you, because we've been carrying, our body been carrying legacy for so long. Like you look like someone in your family, like your nose, your leg, your hair, your skin, whatever. This is something your body has been carrying for long time. Maybe now he had enough. Maybe body is so pissed off with what is happening and say, no, I'm gonna shut now. I mean, I'm not going to do anything. What are you going to do? Because this is a key to unlock. Okay, we don't even have a clue what our body can do. We don't know. For example, I've read that some people, they cannot get a job, mix with people, work, marry. This is outside. Body is dealing with inside. We need to deal with inside. Of course, we get married because everybody's getting married. We need something because anybody. But our body being caring. For example, I am sure my great family, they had a lot of things, like material wise. But maybe it's destroyed or whatever, it's gone. I don't have, but what my body's been caring for so long, I have it. And I'm keeping it to my children, not just me, I mean everybody will give in to their children, what they look, the illness. The illness is anyway, the body not agreeing from what is put in. Otherwise, body can clean anything. But if you give it the body 3 times a day poison, it will be too much for the kidney to clean. Kidney is not just for cleaning. Kidney has got its own job, but very little is known. So that is, I would say, when I say blessing, is that our body is talking to us clearly. Do notice, like for example, all the foods are, if we know, they completely changed, like technology. Technology moved from wire to wireless, from whatever. I'm sure you know more than me. So and the body maybe had enough of putting a lot of things. Body's been changing, coping with the environment. Maybe this is the time enough, and I think we can see that body is not lying. When I say blessing, body is telling us the truth openly. Best friend could communicate clearly with us and telling us what to eat and what not to eat. If we follow it, we can find out more. Now body is communicating through smell. We cannot even say, okay, what is this, something that I have to unlock? We're not doing that. What about if we presented with something else? How are we going to react? Maybe body is testing us. How familiar are we with our body? Have we ever listened to what our heart beats? You can't eat junk food and listen to that. But if you eat salad, if you eat, I'm going to talk about food. If you eat light food, which is, I couldn't say it last time, but electro food instead of macro food, processed food. Really, we need to, I cannot afford it. I would love to grow my food, but I cannot afford it. I can even have a plant, let alone food, but people who they could do that. If you grow your own tomato, your own fruit, your own thing that you need, you don't need a lot of things. Like one was saying that he cannot do many things. You don't have to do many things. Who is happy? Who is happy? They have got everything. Are they happy? But your body is opening a gate for happiness. Open the body, open the heart, whatever. Connect. We have to connect with ourselves, because whatever we I know if earlier I was thinking when I wanted to do this, if it was our choice of work, I don't think we will work under the electric. We will work outside in fresh air. Everybody would choose that. If I have got this kind of smell, if I sit on the electric, it will smell more with the heat and there's no fresh air. That will make you more frustrated or more conscious of what you're smelling. Then you will smell more, or you will think you're smelling more. It's just body is reacting. Body is not agreeing to the environment. Body wants fresh air, fresh food, relaxation, because body is very smart. Body knows all the things they possess. You don't need it. It's unnecessary, I think, because the more we get, the more we have, the more we want to, the more we get, the more will bring us stress. I think that's what it is. If we compare who is happy, what is happiness, who has got peace of mind in the world, we can see the people who has got very, very little, they have a lot of peace of mind, a lot of wide. So we have to think about those things. And I want to answer to people that they cannot work, they cannot marry. We can do everything. Not work and marry, we can do anything. But first we have to accept what is happening with our body, and we have to know what to eat, what to dress. We should never look or read in magazine or on online some kind of medicine, some kind of perfume, some kind of, we shouldn't invest our money or our time. What we need to invest is spend time with our body. We have to know what we are eating. We have to, everything, it has to be very, very friendly. We become very fragile. We cannot just eat any junk food and go to work and come back and sleep. We cannot do that anymore. We, especially people who have got TMAU, the blessing, they cannot do that, okay? Because their body is so special, very special. So it need to be treated. It's not just the smell. For example, if I ate like before what I used to eat spice, my face will react like spots. I will have spots on my face, and sometimes I will have some lumps under my mouth, like pop. They will pop. Then I wouldn't have some kind of pain or itch or uncomfort. No, but there is a lump. Then they will burst, and this is new actually. So the body is really changing, because other people smelling what we are feeling, we have to know as well. Sometimes I have to eat just to, I have to eat, meaning not meat, not I wouldn't eat meat. As I said, chicken is very clever. She knows her house and so on. Maybe chicken with chicken, maybe they communicate. How do I know? So I don't eat chicken or meat. Sometimes I sneak from back home dry meat, which makes me very young, very not good. So I don't. But when I say I eat, even like lentil, it's very, very good. Okay, but it will give me rush. Before never did, but now. So I know my body is completely changing. There is a lot of seeds that I eat. If I have got nothing to do, I'll stay at home. Like I've got a lot of rash on my face now. I will eat everything to just bring my energy or my energy higher. Yeah. Then I will be, when I'm busy, I will be eating less. I will be eating like aubergine and mushroom, just fry without anything. If I use salted sea salt. I'm going to talk about the food that I use and what I drink and so on, and what I dress. But more is not. I'm thinking of my time. More is we have to accept it, not curse. I cannot do that. I cannot. You know, it is a blessing. It's there for a reason. I have to live with it. How can I live with it? The more you take medicine and medication, I might be in trouble on this again, but I don't think that is going to help. That's not helping. So I wouldn't waste my time on taking medicine, unless there is other illnesses. For TMAU, what TMAU needs is really connecting with yourself, meditation, like doing yoga, and pure in making yourself pure. Relaxing, knowing every bit in your body, the beats. Where is your heartbeat? Is your kidney, your brain, where everything. If you spend time, you don't eat. Even don't think that eating is going to change anything. You cannot eat like others. Others, they've got their own things to deal with. Never compete with others. Just compete with yourself. Compete within you, and take care of yourself. Take care of your feelings. If you send, whatever you send will come back to you. That's what I would say about this. I had this. I hope I cover. Sorry, I cover everything I had to cover. Thank you very much for understanding me. I will put more about it, but one thing, we have to care of each other. No, we shouldn't discriminate our feelings, because it might change to different. to different degree, whatever is you like to call it. So we need to be open. We need to open our heart, our brain, and we really need to care of as we care about our body and about our environment in order to live happily in harmony. Bye, Azeib.